Well, alright folk, we got ourselves a really good storm coming. We got the rain here. And the crazy thing is, when I'm in Connecticut, even during the storms, I have one window that's open a little bit more on one side than the other, because I know which way the wind is usually coming and I don't have to worry about it. But here in Ohio, it seems to be the exact opposite. So I'm hanging with the boy, and we did a little cleaning in his room that we're hooking him up so he could have his own room. So I went out, made sure the windows were different because the rain was getting in the van because the wind comes from the opposite direction here. So anyways, we get some lightning and some big booms. I'll come back and record a little more so you can hear it. Well, right folk, well, we have another project to fix on the van. The mirror fell off. Really? So I closed the door. It was pouring rain out. The ex was pulling into her driveway, and I was going to go boondock. I was going to go park somewhere else for the night, mooch docking in the driveway for a couple days, enjoying the time with my son. But I told him I wanted to go boondocking for a night, and I was getting ready to leave. I slammed the door, and then boom, the mirror falls off. So I signaled her back in. It was pouring rain and a big storm, so it's not like I could fix it right then and there with glue or anything. So anyways, I stayed in the driveway for another night, and we're going to fix it now. So catch you when it's... Well, actually, hold up. I am using this. I got the... see if you can see it good or not, but it's the Gorilla Super Glue. I did try some other stuff. It's like a spray glue, but you spray it on there and it kind of all just falls down. And it stayed up good enough to get me to Walmart today. But as I was in Walmart, I kind of looked at it and I wiggled it, boom, fell right off. Which I'm glad I did because it didn't fall off on the road. So anyways, we're going to get this done and get back to you later, folk. Well, all right, folk. Of course, don't know if we're entirely sure, but it does seem that this glue is working a lot better than the last glue I used. Last time I pushed in and I could see the mirror just moving a little bit, and the bottom didn't look too sturdy. This, nothing. So I think this glue is working a whole lot better. Also, I got some news. Took the boy and we went to Walmart to go get all this stuff. Also, like I told you, and I'm going to be showing you guys some of this too, I'm kind of remodeling his room. There's a big toy room that they have, and the boy needs his own room now, so I'm kind of redoing and remodeling, fixing it up so he can have his own room. And so we went to Walmart, we got the paintbrushes, we got some of this, some of that. But anyways, while I was there, we met this person right here, Geezer at the Wheel. We exchanged stickers, which was cool, and he seemed like a very cool gentleman. And he's got his little dog as well, pretty cool. Just watched one of his videos, and his buddy wrote a song for him and so forth, and the song is excellent. I highly recommend it. Geezer at the Wheel. Go check out his last video there with his song his buddy wrote about him and his channel and so forth. Really cool. Geezer at the Wheel. Sounds good. Anyways, I'm going to take this sticker and I'm going to put it on the back window with the other stickers, and I'll get with you in a minute. Later, folk. So, alright, folk, there we go. We got Geezer at the Wheel up on the window. And also, he gave me a card. And on the card, it's got, he's on YouTube, of course. He's also on Facebook. And his email is geezeratthewheel@gmail.com. So we got Geezer up there, right by Nomadic Fanatic, and Boondock Charlie, Mellow Nomadic Adventures, Desmond's Donders. So we're getting more and more. All right, folk, we'll catch you later. Well, all right, folk. Well, we are out boondocking. We're at the truck stop. So I pulled in here. I've stayed here many times when I visit the kids in Ohio and everything, or when I'm just boondocking in Ohio. And I've come here many times, no problems. And my favorite spot to park here was open. Eat her done. But anyways, yeah, so that's pretty much going to be it. I had myself, they got a McDonald's here as well, so I got myself a little chicken sandwich and a small fry and a small soda pop. So that's pretty much going to be about it for me today. I've got another video to throw up, and I have a couple things I'm about to do within the next week or so, also while trying to get my son's room done. So anyways, more stuff coming, and until then, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.